Hello friends, I hope now we have seen the UPS case studies and you have also worked on the solution which was asked below this case study. So let me give you one of my perception about this case. Of course this is going to be one of the solution which I think is more appropriate as the answers to the questions given to this case study. So the first question you answered was list the various ways that DIAD improves customer service. So if you look at this video basically tells us about that how DIAD works and how it has improved customer services. Basically faster pickups and delivery schedules are maintained. So with this device there are faster pickups and the delivery schedules which are planned by the companies are maintained with this device. With this device we also have real-time tracking of packages based on the barcode technology. So if you see here UPS actually uses the barcode technologies and using Wi-Fi and cellular connections. They are also using local Bluetooth networks. This is for tracking real-time progress of the packages. They are also using GPS built into the unit to help drivers basically to locate delivery and pickup locations. So here the technology they are trying to use to locate delivery and pickup locations, and they also have color screen for customer to read shipping documents. So that was the first question which we have seen. If you see the second question, it speaks about write out the steps a package takes from pickup by a UPS driver to delivery, including the role of DIAD, the UPS data center and the UPS package center. The steps involved, that is first step is the smart label created. There are smart labels which are used by these companies. Information sent to the processing center after reading the information on this smart label. Then the information is processed, it is stored and address is corrected. Then the next step comes that information match to dispatch plan. So basically here we are looking at, we already seen that MIS speaks about collecting, storing, processing information and disseminating information. So all these things are taken care in this case studies. Then packages are sorted. So if you see their line basically in the video which they have shown it, the packages are sorted differently. Another label is printed specifying delivery truck and the position on truck. It's for putting the packages at the correct place where they can be sorted out. Geo software used to continuously update dispatch plans for trucks based on current load. Next step to this comes information is displayed on the DIAD for identifying drop off order, position on the truck. Next is at delivery, package scanned, information sent wirelessly to processing center. Now customers sign on the dotted line on DIAD 4, so there is again one more input point for the customer signature. Then the main processing centers store complete track of packages for customer tracking. I hope once you have visited the website you can see the different reports which they are generating. The third question says what role does wireless communication plays in the UPS system? DIAD 4 is wirelessly connected to the main processing centers and the package centers. Generally UPS trucks contain a transceiver to work with the local drivers DIAD 4 and then communicate that information wirelessly back to the UPS processing center. So this is how wireless communication is used here. The fourth question says about why doesn't UPS use much more powerful and smaller smartphones like the iPhones or the Androids? The answer is the DIAD unit are much more robust than the consumer smartphones, that's what their assessment is, and can withstand larger drops, rain and intermittent submersion and also abuse. So basically they are looking this as the stronger device, as the stronger hardware device for the communication purpose where the information can be stored and processed. While many features of the DIAD are also available on smartphones, the DIAD is optimized for these features like scanning barcodes using multiple cellular carriers, and whereas ordinary smartphones are actually not designed for that. Next question speaks about why is the DIAD 5 is better than DIAD 4. So if we see here as per the video and the documentation what they have, improvements that employees mentioned in the videos are: 1. Quick response time. Next is strap to hold DIAD while holding other packages. Reduce size and weight. It speaks about 1.5, that is half pound compared to about 5 pounds. Easier to handle, one hand operation. It's possible with the new device, that is DIAD 5. They have illuminated screen to use at night time. Better signature writing features. Easier interface for typing. Improved scanner beam performance for scanning barcodes. The next question speaks about how does the UPS investment in the IT help it achieve the strategic business objectives. In my lecture I have already mentioned about these 6 strategic business objectives. Let's see how UPS is addressing those. The most important contributions of technology to UPS strategic objectives is the greatly enhanced operational efficiency. So if you see here with this device, the operational efficiency of the UPS as a packaging company and delivering company is highly improved. The compression of time to deliver, so the timely delivery is achieved with the technology. The development of the new services like tracking and overnight or 2-day service. The closeness to the customer, improvements in the quality and the speed of decisions related to packages. So we have already mentioned that the technology is flattening the decision making process. This is how it is happening with the devices which companies are using like DIAD. Firms that made these investments in IT benefit by achieving significant competitive advantage over others in the package delivery businesses. FedEx remains a much smaller but competitive service, especially in the overnight market. Other competitors have largely disappeared. So I hope we tried to answer most of the questions which are given below these case studies. Next case study we shall be speaking about is the retail Walmart, which I'll also upload a video about that. Again, we all have to remember that this is one of the solutions which I found out more or less correct from the video. You can always have your own perceptions, own interpretations about the technology and the strategy and implementation. Better innovative ideas you have, I think the better use of technology we can think about for processing information. We have to understand the importance about storing information, processing information, analyzing it and disseminating it to the decision makers looking at the triad or the triangle of MIS. Thank you.